Tornadoes are one of the coolest weather phenomena in the US, but because they don't affect Las Vegas residents, many of us are uninformed on this disaster. The National Weather Service defines a tornado as a violently rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm and making contact with the ground. Tornadoes are also commonly referred to as twisters, tempests, or whirlwinds. The National Weather Service tracks around 800 tornadoes every year. These tornadoes cause on average 1,500 injuries and can have wind speeds of over 200 miles per hour. On average, 80 people will die every year as a result of tornadoes. Tornadoes are ranked on a scale between F0 and F5. F0 tornadoes have wind speeds of 65 to 85 miles per hour, while F5 tornadoes have wind speeds of 200 to 234 miles per hour. This is known as the Fujita scale. In simplest terms, tornadoes form when warm and cold air mix, spinning around each other. Usually, dry cold air comes down from Canada and warm moist air rises from Mexico, meeting in an area of the country called Tornado Alley. This is why most tornadoes occur in spring or summer. There's a common misunderstanding that tornadoes only occur in Tornado Alley, but they are actually common throughout the entire Great Plains and can happen anywhere east of the Rocky Mountains. Similarly, contrary to popular belief, tornadoes do strike major cities. But there are many other myths about tornadoes that can be dangerous. First, many people think they only have a couple of minutes to hide before a storm, when in reality, you can track them days in advance. 2. You don't need to find shelter until you hear the tornado sirens. In reality, many places don't even have sirens, so if you wait until it sounds, it may be too late. 3. If you're on the highway, you should hide under a highway overpass.
Go for the overpass.
Come on now! Go for the overpass! Take cover!
Not only do highway overpasses not provide much protection, they actually turn into wind tunnels, making it more dangerous. 4. You should open the windows of your house before the storm hits. This is based off of a common myth that the pressure from a storm is what causes damage to your home. In reality, you're only wasting your time. 5. Rain signifies the end of a tornado. In reality, rain and tornadoes occur at the same time pretty often. Here are the steps you should take to stay safe from a tornado. Number 1. Have a plan like this one. 2. Look out for storms on the National Weather Service website so you aren't surprised. And 3. Have necessary supplies ready. Supplies you should have ready are batteries, a battery-operated device to listen to weather information, an emergency kit, water, non-perishable food, medication, and important phone numbers. Step 4. Seek shelter. If you're outside, leave your vehicle and lay in a low ditch. If you're in a building, go to its lowest level inside a small interior room. You should also stay away from the walls to avoid debris. Step 5. Take cover. Hide under a sturdy piece of furniture such as a table. Use your arms to cover your neck, as shown in these 2 photos. Tornadoes are scary, but they're survivable if you know what to do. In summary, the best things to do in a tornado are lay in a ditch, a basement, or a small interior room.